on the Crypto News Network 24/7. Now, this is just a follow-up video from about 7:30, so 2 hours ago, right? We did a long ape and a short SHIB on how to use margins, and now we're just literally cleaning that up real quick. So let's take a look at how we did. So first of all, right here we made 5% on our ape. Right now an ape is kind of falling, it's reversing. It looks like it's coming into a double top, maybe even a triple. Yeah, like it fell. So we actually sold out. We had our profits taking a little bit higher. Remember earlier I told you to set your profits at $9. Bada boom, bada bang, you got your $9. You guys would have actually made 10% on that trade. So right there was an easy 10 bucks. You know, so you doubled your money today with one single trade using margins, with understanding how to reach the potential of the 10%, which now means that this account, if it only had 10 bucks, would now have $20 in profit, which means I would now have $200 worth of margins of compound interest to go after more money. Bada boom, bada bang. Now, let me get into this Discord here real quick and let the people know we're going after the short here. Give me 1 second. Shorting monkey, shorting ape. All right. Now, let's go ahead and close out our other one, or probably take a look at it, because don't forget, so all we did here was hit trade. We sold 100% of our ape coin, and that pretty much is where we're at right now. So let's take a look here. Yeah. So right now, you're up, doubled your money already. It's been 2 hours. Happy Thursday. Way to margin, way to be in there, way to learn, way to get it done. All right, so here's ApeCoin, right? So now we started with $10 of ape, and now we have $106 of USDT. Now, the thing is here is that we're not going to do any I don't think we're doing any longs right now on ape. We're going to short ape. So we're going to go to USDT. We're going to repay what we owe. Boom, right? So we got $16. So we went from $10 to $16. And you're like, damn, BC, that's not a lot of money. Well, some people don't have a lot of money when they're in Africa, Mexico, India, and third world countries. This is who I teach on how to make 300 bucks a day trading, because I'm here for the third world country people, because they have nothing, but they can sit in Africa and make $150 a day by just one trade, teaching them how to do this after a couple months, 8 weeks. That changes lives, guys. All right, but check this out. All right, so I'm gonna short ape. So I go in there and I hit borrow. Here's USDT. I can borrow $144 instead of 100. I have 144, but I want to short ape. So I'm going to click on ape. I'm going to get my ape coin, right? I'm reversing from a long to a short. I have 17 ape coin, almost 18 ape coins. I'm going to go ahead and borrow those ape coins. Now I'm going to slide over to margins. Because what I want to do now is that I have the ape coins. I need to sell the ape coin, so I need to trade it away. It's in my totals and it's in my margins now. Okay, but now I need to trade it away, and I'm coming over here. And I need to sell it out pretty quickly here. It's already dropping. Now, normally I would wait, but it's already on its downfall. So here I am selling ape. We're out of there. So now we got our spot set up. Now, let me show you a little difference. I didn't really get to focus in. I probably should have slowed down, but you could pause the video. What you'll see is basically before I went into my margin where I hit trade, if you looked at ape's total, right? And I'm going to show you where totals are correctly right now, you would have noticed that I had the amount that I just borrowed in my liabilities and also inside my totals, which means they zero each other out, because I have the same in liabilities and the same in totals, which means they're negative. They zero each other out. So let me take a look at my ape. So ape, you would have noticed that in my totals, which is this column here, you would have noticed that I had 17.9 apes, because that's what I borrowed. They would also have been here. Now, because they're the same amount, 17.9, 17.9, liabilities, totals, they zero each other out because they're the same number. Now, once you sell them and only have liabilities and they're going down in price, you're making money, because I'm shorting, I'm making money. and then I buy back the ape at a lower price, and I pay this back, and I keep the difference between when I sold it and when I buy it back. That's how you make money in margins. So right now I'm already, look at that, on ape, I'm already making money, 90% to 89.72. Now earlier, guys, we also went into a SHIB, right? We went into a SHIB sell. Now, I think SHIB we did 10 bucks or something. I don't even remember. But we're up 10% on SHIB. So now we've even doubled our money on SHIB. So guys, we've doubled our money on 2 simple trades already today, which is putting us in a good position to take this $20 and turn it into some serious cash right now. So now it looks like SHIB is trying to go up, which is odd. Are we long on SHIB? No, we're short on SHIB. So what we're going to do now before SHIB goes up and takes our money away, we're going to need to take a look at this. So it still looks like it's not making higher highs. So let me pull SHIB up. Normally I would close out and take my profit here because it fell down here to the 0014. I mean, I'm at 10%. That's all I really want to make my 10%, and I'm out. But it looks like it pushed up on me a little bit. I was up 15%. I wasn't really looking at the So I'm up here. I got the 10%, but it was actually 15%. But now we're in a little bit of thing here. So now we shipping it up. Oh no, we're long on SHIB, boys. Yeah, I was about to say. Yeah, so we're long. We're good. We're going up on SHIB. Yeah, so we're in the right position. So liabilities. I was like, where is this messed up here? So we bought. We're actually long. My bad. We were shorting the other one. We're long. We were shorting ape. Man. So we're actually long on Shiba Inu. All right, perfect. I was about to say, what was I doing there? All right, so yeah. So how you can tell that you're long is look at liabilities. So see how ape, we're shorting ape, so there's liabilities in the ape coin, which is the top coin. USDT is the bottom coin. There's nothing in liabilities in USDT, which means you don't owe anything back, but I owe 17.9 monkey ape coins back. But Shiba Inu, I owe USDT of $96. So right now, that would mean I think I used 10 bucks there. So 10% there, that's another 10 bucks, another win. But since SHIB is on its way up still, we're going to hold our long. But what I want to do here is, since I'm at the 10% mark, I want to go ahead and move my stop market up because I don't really want to lose money here. Right now, 2 things you can do here. Let's say that you don't have a lot of money, but let's say the coin is going to continue to run. And you're like, you know what? This is about to catch fire. People are starting to buy. Now, I don't recommend you doing this because the only time you need to do is make your 10% and get the hell out. But if you feel like this is going to continue to run, here's what you do. You add more money. And how you add more money? How do you add more money, VC, when I only had $10? Well, the beauty of it is we're 10xing, which means when you make 10%, you made $10. Oh, and you know what that $10 represents? What? A 10x. What's a 10x? It's another $100. 10 times 10 is what? $100. Bada boom, bada bing. So now you have another $100 to throw at SHIB that you just earned in the last 2 hours. So let me show you how to double down on your play here. So all we would do here is we would take this 78%. We'd hit borrow because we can borrow up to 90%. So look at this. I can borrow $126. So I can take that $12 that I made, use the 10x option, borrow $126 more of USDT, and I can apply this pressure to SHIB, and now I can hit trade, and now see here in the totals I have another $126, right? So when I borrowed the USDT, I'm going to show you this. It's going to cost me a little money, but I'm not too concerned, even though I need this 20 bucks. It's gas money, man. It's 20 bucks a gallon where I'm at, bro. You don't know the pain, man. You don't drive my kind of car. It's rough out here, man. Oh! All right, so now you can see right here that now in my totals, I borrowed the 126. It added to my liabilities. It took my liabilities up from 100 to 120, 222. But now I have an extra 122 in total. So now I'm going to spend that total money. I'm going to buy me 126 more shibby. Shibby! Now what I recommend here is kind of like looking at a chart, taking a look to see where you're at on the chart to see if SHIB is in the middle of a retracement, and try to buy the lower side of SHIB, right? Which would be, okay, so let's say I was actually doing this and I was teaching like how to trade properly, right? I'd go over to my chart. And you should already be looking at this ahead of time about, okay, as soon as I make X amount of money and SHIB does this, I'm gonna re-enter at this, right? So you'd go over here, right? You look at your lines and you say, okay, where is SHIB? And you say, oh man, SHIB's right here at 000127. SHIB has already hit 00264. So this is where you would say, you know what, I'm gonna buy here because it looks like it already had its drop, and now I'm re-entering. Now normally you'd want to re-enter down here, right? Because that's the big drop. You'd want to enter way down here on this second candle showing that it's still pushing. And we're gonna jump in here and we're gonna ride this up until we reach here. Right, we're trying to get to the top of this line here of 0001287. Right, so now I wanna take profits here at 0001279. Right, so now I'm like, all right, I'm in. So that's when I would trade in, and I would do it properly because VC taught me how to trade, and I'm like, this guy's incredible. And you know, I can get in. I know when to get in. I know how to get in. I know my Fibonacci's. So much stuff that goes along with it, but I mean, if you spend time with the guy, you'll know. All right, so let's say you hop in and you're like, all right, I added to my bag. So now you have an extra $100. So you started with $10. You were able to buy $96 a SHIB, and then you made enough money to buy another 126. So currently you have $222 worth of SHIB, and you started with $10 today. Now, if this was an actually good market and it wasn't in the middle of a crash and a downfall and all this other jazz, if you do that properly, you could do very well in making $400 a day, right? But in this type of market, you need a little skill, you need a little training, you need a little chart training, you need a little entry training. There's a lot more that goes with it. But I just wanted to share with you guys that I doubled both my trades. In 2 hours, I've doubled my money. So normally I'm a $10,000 trader, which basically means right here I would have basically took in about $7,000 on 2 trades, which would have been $14,000 in 2 hours. So that's the level you want to get to. That's the skill you want to get to. This is why we teach a mastermind course. If you're interested in the mastermind course, hit it down below. It would be the best $5,000 you've ever spent in your life. It's a 12-month program where you spend all 12 months with me, and all you do is learn how to actually print money. Doesn't matter if the market's green, red, blue, whatever, we make money, guys. But I just wanted to show you how easy it is to double your money. I doubled my money on both those trades in the last 2 hours. Other than that, guys, welcome to the VC Nation, VC Crypto Nation, baby. And like I said, don't worry, man. We're in a dogfight here. And boycott BlackRock, man. Jesus, if you have any money in BlackRock or retirement ROA, talk to your company. And if they're in it, pull your damn money, man. Those people they're crashing the crypto, buying all the real estate. They want to literally enslave the future people, which is your kids' kids. And if you want your kids' kids to be enslaved by BlackRock, keep doing business with them. Other than that, guys, good luck. God bless.